Let's talk about postcards. Why do we send them? How much do they cost? And how do you go about doing it with the Investor's Edge? Well, postcards are a great way to get in touch with people. These are people that may be motivated sellers. And the way we know they're motivated is we look for equity and we look for some change of life circumstance. You'll see over here on the computer, if you put in a city, you're going to get these buckets. These are buckets that we've put together, and these actually have what are called data stacks. So we've got data on top of data on top of data to sort to get the best list possible. So for example, let's look at this pre-foreclosure list. If I filter this pre-foreclosure list, it's already been residential, single family, condos, townhouse, notice of default, $500,000 or less, 30% or more of equity. And that's already in the filter. Now, maybe we want to change something and say, you know what? I only want single family. I don't want that. So it takes my list down a little bit. So let's say I want to get in touch with these guys. I can click on this. I can add it to a list, create a new list, and I'm going to call this my postcard list. The reason I'm doing that is it's a demo account. So I name a lot of things postcards or list or whatever the case is. So, okay, so I've got those. Next thing that I'm going to do is come here to a campaign. I'm going to do a new activity. And with a new activity, I'm going to send out postcards. You'll find the pricing for the postcards is right here. It updates if there are any updates. I actually like to send the smaller ones, not the oversized ones. I don't think I get that much more response with the oversized. And I usually start with a predefined template. I usually do my investor templates. And so let's say need to sell quick. Let's say that's the one that I want. Now, it's important that you realize your information you put in here for the business details used for marketing purposes, that is what's going to show up on these specific mailers as you do the postcards. So start with predefined. I'm going to go for my investors. I'm going to click here and it's got my information predetermined. Now, next I need to edit the recipients. So to do that, I'm going to come to my postcard list, select that. I'll just bring a couple of these down. You'd want to do any of those. You'd add selected contacts. You'd go next, print and mail, postcard campaign, save. It's $1.92, yes. And with that, I want to verify these things to make sure my phone number's right and my email address is right and all those things. And congratulations, your order is submitted. It'll be processed within 3 to 5 business days, and then there'll be the time for mailing on that. So I literally just sent some motivated sellers postcards in less than 30 seconds. And that's how you use postcards.